Hello everyone! In today's video, you will watch the list of 50 richest banks in the world. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to our Discover the Planet channel and press the bell icon. First, Abu Dhabi Bank in UAE manages around $200 billion, serving as the region's financial leader. Credit Suisse from Switzerland holds about $250 billion. A historic bank adapting to modern global challenges. Société Générale in France controls $280 billion, remaining a cornerstone in European and global finance. KBC Group from Belgium oversees $300 billion, powering growth through retail banking and insurance services worldwide. Nordea, dominating Nordic markets, manages $330 billion and plays a vital role in regional banking. Rabobank in the Netherlands holds $400 billion, globally recognized for its cooperative model and agricultural financing strength. Hana Financial Group in South Korea carries $400 billion, shaping finance with innovation and digital growth. Shinhan Financial Group of South Korea manages $420 billion, a modern banking giant in East Asia. KB Financial Group from South Korea oversees $490 billion, driving consumer, corporate, and digital banking transformation. Banco do Brasil in Brazil holds $500 billion, standing as one of Latin America's strongest financial institutions. Banco do Brasil controls $540 billion, symbolizing the country's economic strength and government-backed financial stability. CaixaBank in Spain oversees $600 billion, providing retail, corporate, and digital services across European markets. UniCredit from Italy manages $600 billion, a major European player with deep influence in continental banking. Intesa Sanpaolo in Italy holds $620 billion, powering national growth through strong retail and investment services. ICBC's Asian subsidiaries collectively manage $650 billion, reinforcing the group's unmatched global financial dominance. Toronto Dominion Bank in Canada controls $670 billion, combining tradition with innovative services for millions of clients. Royal Bank of Canada commands $700 billion, securing its spot as the country's largest financial powerhouse. Bank of Nova Scotia, or Scotiabank, manages $700 billion, operating across Canada and international markets. Westpac Banking Corporation of Australia controls $750 billion, serving as one of the nation's financial backbones. National Australia Bank holds $750 billion, making it a key driver of Australia's economy and stability. BBVA from Spain manages $800 billion, expanding influence through Europe and Latin America's dynamic markets. La Banque Postale in France carries $900 billion, deeply rooted in serving individuals and businesses nationwide. Commonwealth Bank of Australia manages $950 billion, pioneering retail banking and advanced digital financial services. State Bank of India oversees $980 billion, standing tall as the backbone of India's entire economy. Standard Chartered, UK-based with global reach, holds $1 trillion, bridging finance across Asia, Africa, and beyond. ING Group in the Netherlands manages $1.2 trillion, ranking among Europe's most powerful financial giants. Deutsche Bank in Germany controls $1.4 trillion, a global investment powerhouse with deep European roots. Japan. Postbank manages $1.5 trillion, reflecting Japan's tradition of savings and long-term financial security. China Merchants Bank holds $1.6 trillion, powering the nation's private sector and rising global influence. Mizuho Financial Group from Japan controls $1.7 trillion, playing a critical role in Asian finance. Wells Fargo in the United States manages $1.9 trillion, with deep roots in American financial history. Bank of Communications in China holds $2.0 trillion, a rapidly growing player shaping national and global banking. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group of Japan manages $2.0 trillion, expanding rapidly across Asian and international markets. Postal Savings Bank of China controls $2.3 trillion, serving millions across China with massive nationwide reach. Citigroup in the United States carries $2.3 trillion, a global banking giant with operations worldwide. China Development Bank holds $2.6 trillion, funding massive infrastructure and development development projects domestically and globally. Crédit Agricole Group of France manages $2.7 trillion, a major force in agriculture, retail, and corporate banking. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group in Japan controls $2.8 trillion, one of Asia's largest financial powerhouses. BNP Paribas in France manages $2.9 trillion, standing as a cornerstone of European and global banking. HSBC Holdings from the UK oversees $3.0 trillion, bridging finance between Asia, Europe, and global markets. Bank of America manages $3.3 trillion, ranking among the United States' largest and most influential banks. JP Morgan Chase in the US controls $4.0 trillion, the country's biggest bank and a global leader. Bank of China manages $4.6 trillion, representing one of China's most powerful and influential financial institutions. China Construction Bank carries $5.4 trillion, showcasing massive strength in both domestic and international markets. Agricultural Bank of China oversees $5.6 trillion, focusing on agriculture, rural development, and global financial growth. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China leads the world with $6.3 trillion, the largest bank by assets. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our Discover the Planet channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.